Hello, I am back again with a small update, just a little bit of add-on to the Ninja 500. And nothing big, but I think it makes the bike look better. Found this on eBay. Here's the original fender, chain guard, whatever you want to call it. And I have now added a carbon fiber one. I bought this on eBay. These things are really easy to swap. You've got a bolt here, a bolt here, there's a plug back on there, and I've actually changed the one because I didn't like the one that came on the bike. And then a bolt on this side, and it's very easy to swap. I think it makes the bike look better. It doesn't do anything. It probably adds about 15 horsepower. Just kidding. And it is 100% carbon fiber. The underneath, I don't know if you can see it, but you can see where it's layered. I did have to drill out one of the holes just a little bit bigger to fit the, I guess the recessed, I don't know, washer or whatever that's actually on the bolt. Other than that, everything matched up perfectly. No stretching, no trying to, fit it or push it to fit it in place. But there she is on the bike. So, first piece of carbon fiber I've added to the bike, and I do think it looks better than the original, which was just flat black. And the seller said that these should fit both the 500 and the 400. I don't know for sure, as I do not have a 400 to try it on, but I know that it fits the 500 very, very well. There you go. So until next time, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button. Appreciate it. Bye-bye.